Hello and welcome to the HR Diary. Do you want to see how much your salary can grow in the next 5 years? In this video, I will show you how to calculate it step by step mathematically in Excel. Then, I will show you how a single formula, which is this exponent, can calculate it instantly. In math, this symbol means to the power of, which is just a way to show how repeated multiplication works. So curious? Let's dive in. Year zero is your starting salary. In this example, I will put in 10,000. So if your average salary increment is 3%, I will enter 0.03 here. 0.03 here. 0.03 means 3%. Next, for year one, let's enter the formula equals to, I point to this $10,000 multiplied by open parenthesis 1 plus this cell, which is the average salary increment rate, close parenthesis. And then I want to lock this cell by putting the dollar sign here. And I hit enter. Now, let's explain this formula. This formula multiplies my starting salary, C5 is my starting salary, 10,000, for example, by 1 plus cell C3. So it multiplies 1 plus 3%. All right. So that means it multiplies the salary of 10,000 by 1 plus 3%. All right. This dollar sign locks this particular cell. It locks this cell so that when you copy the formula over to other cells, it still refers to the same 3%. So click onto this cell and just drag it down and the formula applies there. So you notice it keeps to the cell, the locked cell, right? So this formula, the year one salary is this salary. It uses 10,000 salary to calculate, and the next one, it uses the cell above, 10,003. So this is your salary after 5 years. Instead of calculating it year by year, using all these formula, 10,000 for year one, 10,000, year two, you get 10,300. Year three is this formula. Year four is here. Instead of calculating this year by year, all right, you can do it by using one formula, by entering equals 10,000 multiplied by open parenthesis 1 plus 0.03 close parenthesis and exponential 5. So you get the same result, right? You get the same result as you do it manually, 10,000, and then you use this formula, doing it so many times. So you just need to use this formula. So it matches this in one step. So in this formula, 10,000 is your starting salary, this starting salary. And 1 plus 0.3 means you are assuming 3% salary increment every year. 5 means you want your salary, you want to apply this 5 times. All right? Or what is your salary after 5 years? Okay. So this formula, if your salary is 20,000, just change this to 20,000. Right? And if your annual increment is on average is 5%, change it to 5%. And if you want it in 10 years time, what happens if it's your salary in 10 years time, just change this to 10. Right? So let me revert this back to the original. Okay, so this is the formula. If I want to make it now, this cell, I want to make it dynamic. I can change this 0 to point to a cell. For example, 10,000, I want it to point to this cell, the starting salary. And this 0.3, I can make it point to this cell. And 5 point to here. So if I change my starting salary to 5,000 and I hit enter, this number changes because this is referencing to this cell. So now if I change my annual increment rate to 6%, and I hit enter, this changes. So right, today I have shown you how to calculate salary growth manually using this formula, which I then drag it down. All right. And I also show you how to calculate it using a single exponential formula, which is this formula. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the HR Diary channel. Subscribing ensures that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. See you next time.